In this video, I'm going to show you how to add phone number in Ubisoft. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to head over to ubisoft.com and sign in to your account. Now go ahead and click on the top right corner of your screen, represented by your user profile icon. Click on account management and this will redirect you to your account settings. Now on your account settings, go ahead and click on the account information to be able to access your account information on Ubisoft. Scroll down and you'll be able to find the phone number section. So go ahead and click on the edit button beside the private information. Now go ahead and click on add a phone number. Now in here, go ahead and enter your phone number. After you enter your phone number, Ubisoft will send you a security code. You'll need to enter the security code in this area to be able to confirm that that phone number is yours and connect it to your Ubisoft account. And that's how you can simply add phone number to your Ubisoft account. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.